To present to you our newly inducted president, Rhea Ray Anicoche Tan.
Please take your seats, everyone. Are you okay? Yes. Stay right there, and I have a lot of surprises for you. Hindi nag-speech. Lahat mo ba kumain na?
Yes.
Alright. This evening, we appreciate everyone from District 3790, Rotary Club of Balibago officials, headed by our governor, Dr. Danilo Philip Torres, and our beautiful members, Assistant Governor Mambing Gonzalez, our District Governor-elect, Sir Ronald D., our Assistant Governor Mambing Gonzalez, our District Secretary John Gala, our past District Governors and District Officers, to my fellow presidents, to my family. My mama pa saying, Mama, pinag-nervous mo naman ako. To my kids, Adam and Audrey, friends, my beauty derm ambassadors, local and national media, for coming together for a significant night. This is a gathering of hearts and minds united in service. The significance of the occasion will be determined not by the words or the lovely dresses, but by the fact that the Rotary Club of Balibago is fully prepared for community uplifting efforts. And I would like to share to you my 3 most favorite projects. Let's have the first one. This is the Rise Up Glow Up project. Nakipag-communicate na po kami sa mga universidad. Wow. Pwede na ba, Matsayana? Relax, hindi ako tatakbo, ha? Dahil ang problema ngayon ay mental health issues. Bakit? Kasama doon ang kanilang skin. Yung mga bata nawawalan ng self-confidence dahil sa kanilang mga skin. Kaya naman, the Rotary Club of Balibago, in cooperation with the Beauty Derm and the Beauty House, ay mabibigyan natin ng 20 muna ng mga kabataan na pagagandahin natin ang kanilang skin at libre ka lahat ang kanilang cleaning services kasama ang kanilang produkto. Alright? So, they represent the future of a healthy, confident community that prioritizes more than what we see. And the second one is Yes to Love. Noong panahon ng pandemic po, ay sinakripisyo ko ang aking mga gamit, dinonate ko para makapagbigay sa ating mga frontliners. Ngayon naman, sabi ko nga kay Ma'am Carla, matutuwa siya dahil every time you buy beauty derm products, magbibigay po ako ng 5 piso mapupunta sa End Polio Now na campaign ng Rotary Club International. At sige naman po, bumili na Ayan. At syempre, ang ating participating na branches ay kasama ang ating head office. That's in Angeles City. Of course, dahil nandun si Gov, ayan, para mag-engganyo siya. Kasama din po ang benta ng SM Baguio. We also have in SM Clark and in Marquee Mall. At yan 4 po nating branches. Yan. Pakikiusapan po muna ibang branches natin kasi ibang branches po natin. We have 85 branches nationwide. Yung iba pong branches natin sa Visayas and Mindanao ay franchise. Alright? And we have the last one. Ayan. To date, meron po akong 50 college scholars sa Vigan, Ilocos Sur, where I finished my secondary education. Sila po ay hindi natin kamag-anak. Sila po ay pinapagtapos natin hanggang 4th year college. At maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa Beauty Derm kasi lahat po ng empleyado ng Beauty Derm ay pinapag-aral natin hanggang 3 anak. Kung ikaw naman ay walang anak, ay kasama ang kanilang kapatid. Ngayon naman ay i-extend natin hanggang matapos ang aking termino? Ang seryoso nyo? 4 na taon, ngayon po na ako ay magiging presidente ng Rotary Club, mamimili naman tayo ng 10 kapampangan na magiging scholar ng The Rotary Club of Balibago. At patatapusin natin po sila ng pag-aaral hanggang 4th year college. Okay? This 3, yan po yung mga scholars natin na iba nag-graduate na, halos lahat dyan, magna cum laude. Yan. Alright? These 3 projects advocate for others rather than ourselves. And as this club, which has prioritized others over itself, it's not about what we say, but how we make them feel. The attention on the community and their stories have moved, shaped, and touched our core. So tonight, please allow me to officially accept my responsibility as the president of the Rotary Club of Balibago in front of everyone who has inspired, influenced, and affected me. Please know that I am appreciative, humbled, and honored for this. And while we are proud of our position, we must use our privilege, voice, and success to benefit others. When we are granted to sit at the table, let others sit beside you. Advocate for and beside them. Don't leave anyone out. Everyone belongs to everyone. To everyone in the Rotary Club of Balibago, thank you for your trust in our quest to be the best organization. We must never lose sight of what truly matters. Uplifting others, seeing them for who they are, connecting with them, giving them a voice, and motivating the next generation of advocates to unite for good. Maayo mabemi kay Kawan Kabanen na ibag na rabi kada kayo aming kapsa. I am Rhea Ramos Anicochita, the president of the Rotary Club of Balibago. Rotary year 2025-2026 at your service.
Once again, a round of applause to the newest president of the Rotary Club of Balibago, Ray Anicochita. Thank you. Such a powerful speech, Ms. Rhea. We have amongst us now the CEO of her own companies, who has now also accepted the huge responsibility to take care of the club, lead all the social civic community projects, accomplish actionable items of the 7 areas of focus,